Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shania and I'm back with another hair installation video. Big shout out to LuvMe Hair for collaborating with me on this installation. They were kind enough to send me this gorgeous unit. This is their Undetectable Invisible Lace Glueless 13x4 frontal lace wig and I received it in 22 inches. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. It is so silky and it's so shiny and so it's just given, you know, and you guys are probably going to be seeing me wearing this all through the summer. Get attention to your hair and not the hairline. So this unit is Swiss lace. I've heard a bit about Swiss lace, but I normally go for transparent lace and HD lace, so I wanted to give it a try. And guys, it's actually not bad. It actually has the potential to give what lace. If only I knew how to dye, bleach the knots. I feel like I didn't do too bad installing this unit, considering I'm not a professional. I don't do this every day. Like, I use these videos as practice and I don't have like all the professional tools. I'm slowly but surely like upgrading my shit, but yeah, I feel like this unit, it wasn't a bad install at all. It's not the best, but it's not bad. I'm just gonna come closer so you guys can take in how gorgeous the quality of this hair is. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. Look at how silky and smooth it is.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Bro, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Bro, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, and that I'm on tomorrow. That's how I feel. Act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Bro, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50 percentage. Attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect fitted. Perfect.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Bro, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Bro, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, that I'm on tomorrow. That's how I feel, act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it.
Alright guys, so I've completely installed this unit on my head. Tomorrow I'll be curling it and styling it, so stay tuned for more. This is my hair with the curls, and I haven't brushed them out yet. And it looks really nice like this, but I'm gonna brush them out. It is quite cute.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom.
So guys, I'm heading out, so I kind of switched up my look just a little bit. What do you guys think? I think it's given, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Triple threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast.